There's the nice new calipers that have finally arrived. Well, we say nice. They will be nice when we're finished. I'm going to refurb them. I'm spraying them. Nice and lovely yellow colour. And then we can get them on the car. Definitely can't wait to get these fitted. Tested the, is it the wheel spacers?
Yep.
I tested them yesterday just to see what it's all going to look like when it goes on. I think it's going to look quite nice when it's finished. Oh wait, these are the size of these bad boys. They are huge. Brembos, of course. Definitely give them a good refurb. Get them all done and dusted and get them on the car hopefully. So we thought we'd show you guys that they finally arrived, and then we'll keep you guys up to date with how the refurb's going. Some more videos to come your way. Remember, if you like what you see, drop us a like, press the subscribe button to keep up to date with what we're keeping up with and all the information and everything. And we will catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned guys, we've got loads to come.